In this series, I'll be taking a small $25 account, turning it into a $10,000 funded account, showing you what's possible with forex because you can basically start anywhere. The first trade is euro dollar, and for every trade I take in this series, I'm going full margin. So we get into the euro dollar trade. We have this liquidity above. We actually got into the trade kind of late, so I wanted to push past this other liquidity pool that's on the bottom. So we let the trade play out a little bit. It runs in our favor, but then we get caught in a drawdown. And actually, it draws down so much that 60% of our position gets stopped out before it goes back into our favor. After this trade, we're down like about $22, $20. Yeah, so the second trade is pound dollar. And for some reason, the screen recorder got cut off, so I had to restart it. So we went full margin again with pound dollar. Same play right here. And it hit this liquidity pool above. And it was a 4 hour liquidity pool. You can see, as I'm showing on the screen right now, it hits this. So, and we have a lot of room to the downside because there's no liquidity between these areas. So I'm pretty confident about this one. It should dump down. We TP'd and I brought our account from $22 to about like $42. So the next trade is gold. We go full margin. Just caveat about gold. Going full margin with gold is very, very risky. Gold is very, very volatile. Gold can shoot up 50, 100, 300 points in like a matter of minutes. So when I was trading gold for this challenge, I was extra cautious. And that's what kind of happened with this trade. We got in kind of late. And then I seen price was hitting a level and it was giving a lot of resistance. So I was like, maybe I'm gonna have to close this because I know gold can spike down and spike up so easily. Even though I felt like the position was still good and I could still probably hit profit, I played it safe and like, okay, if it hits a certain level, I'm gonna get out. And that's what happened. It drew down and I was like, okay, I'm getting out and I'm closing this out. So gold brought our account back down to like I think like $20 or something. It did go in our favor and it did go up afterwards, but I felt like it was better to play it safe with this account. The fourth trade was we took a long on pound yen. Same setup for this whole challenge. I only used one setup. I just used when price came into a liquidity pool and rejected. That's the setup I used throughout this whole challenge. And so it came down, it got rejected. We went long, and this was just another textbook trade. Price started moving in our favor. It did draw that. It did come back a little bit. So yeah, price just rocketed up, and yeah, and we hit TP. So at the end of the first couple of days, we got the account from $25 to $36. Make sure you subscribe because episode 2 is coming out soon. Hit that like button. Until next time.